Hi guys, this is a little different today. This is just a reminder regarding your subscription for a YouTube channel. Um, I've got something like 10 to 11,000 people watching some of my motorbike video, but I don't even going over 200 subscribers. So this is wrong. This is wrong. I need you to subscribe to the channel because this is what counts for YouTube. I'm over 80,000 views of my videos, but not so many are subscribers of my channel. So please do it. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Hi guys, today a new video about the FJR. It's in fact how to put your bike on the central stand. I know some of you have some trouble to do that because it's an heavy bike and it's a bit scary the first time, but there is no question of force in this. It's a leverage system, so I will try to show you how to do it. So for the example, you could see I'm not even wearing my gears. I've got no boots, so it's even more difficult with some sneakers. Just to show you, then this is nothing to do with strength or anything. So the bike is on this lateral stand. What happened is your bike is tilted a little bit. So when you push down the central stand, only the left side of the central stand touch the ground. To balance the bike and get the bike on the central stand properly, you have to tilt the bike a little bit to reach the other side of the central stand. So I recommend to do a try like that a couple of times to completely feel the position of the central stand. When it's done, here you've got a hole which is in fact made for your hand. I know some people grab the bike here or on the pannier. I do recommend when you start for the first time to even remove the pannier. It would give you more space, but it doesn't make any difference. It's just for you to get more confidence. So we push down and we tilt the bike a little bit until we reach the central point. So now the bike is not on a lateral stand, as you can see. And I just balance the bike as is. If I stop pushing, the bike will go down back to the lateral stand. Then instead what I will do, I will step down the same way you step when you're going up on something. And the bike will going on a central stand. Just having a look now, I'm just pushing down. It's not question of force. It's a combined movement of your hand helping the bike to going this way, and you pushing down the same way you will going on a big step and try to go up, or when you do a fitness movement just like that. This is exactly what you do there. When you do this exercise, maybe the first time put somebody on the other side just to get confidence, but when you will succeed, you will see it's no big deal. So something I do recommend, if you have to move the bike from the central stand to the lateral stand, it's to go on the bike as I'm doing it now, pushing the bike up, not enough, here we go, and put the bike on the lateral stand. Don't try to put the bike down from the central stand out of the central stand without the lateral stand in position. We never know, the bike can tilt a little bit on the other side and you will not be able to catch it. Even on your side, if the lateral stand is not in position, if the bike's coming on you, you will not hold it. It's very heavy. So I will do it another time to show you. I'm pushing down this way and combine the movement with my hand, just like that. I'm like this and I'm going like that way. So I will not do the step I've done before. I will just do it the way I will put the bike, right? That's it. As simple as that. So if this can help you to do it, I'm happy with that. This video is dedicated to Stefan, who contacted me today. He's actually living in Victoria, so maybe one day we can have a drink together and ride somewhere in Victoria. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.